Shabbat Shalom, everyone. We're closing this Torah cycle at the end of the celebration of Sukkot. This is Simchat Torah, and we're rolling back the scroll to start again. This is so amazing as we begin again. It's the day after the 8th day Shemini Atzeret, so we're in it. We're walking in newness, a new Torah cycle. Our Torah portion is Breshit, Genesis 1 through 6, and the Brit Hadashah is John chapter 1, verses 1 through 17. Now, it seems like every new Torah cycle, life pushes us so fast into the next Torah portion. It's like we move from creation to Noach in a week, meaning we may miss it, the beauty of God's account of creation. But this Torah cycle, I'm believing, is different. It's almost like a beginning of a change in season. You can feel it. It's in the air. We've been seeing the amazing arm of Adonai moving during our past Torah cycle. Now, my prayer is we've all been seeing and experiencing it. Our New Testament reading tells us the Word of God became flesh, John 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was with God in the beginning. Through Him all things were made. Without Him nothing was made that has been made. In Him was life, and that life was the light of all mankind. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. As I meditate on this, I find encouragement coming through Yeshua, the light that shines in the darkness. I think as things become more difficult, and I believe the Bible tells us the times that we live in, things are going to intensify and prophecy will increase. But we're told in the New Testament, in John, if we put our trust in Messiah and walk in His Torah, we're given authority to become God's children. And this is not through a bloodline. As it says, it's because we trust in Adonai, in His Torah that became flesh, and we looked upon the glory of the Father's only Son. John 1:16 and 17 we read, "We have all received from His fullness, yes, grace upon grace. For the Torah was given through Moshe, grace and truth came through Yeshua the Messiah. May we see His soon return in our generation." Shavua Tov.